carpets that look very nice.
Best selection and best price.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Conklin Brothers. As everyone knows, at Conklin Brothers we love flooring. We especially love this project. The project team worked directly with Sarah to create this truly custom linoleum floor. Let's meet Sarah. Sarah, what was the inspiration for this project?
Well, we wanted to go with a look that would honor the vintage house, and we wanted something that would capture sort of an Art Deco feel.
Now, Sarah, could you tell us what flooring material you chose?
We've admired linoleum ideas online, of course. There's house.com, there's all the different things you can look at. We could see that you could do something really imaginative and out of the box, and we thought, okay, well, why don't we just see what we can come up with.
Sarah, can you tell us about your experience with Conklin Brothers?
Well, first of all, Susan at Conklin Brothers made this so easy. I mean, she came, she took measurements, she gave me some pointers, she gave me some starting points, and then she left me with lots of color chips and lots of ideas, and pretty much just encouraged me to use my imagination. And I came up with, I started with her starting points and ended up here, and I was sure she would tell me I was crazy when I brought this into the shop, but she took it and she started measuring and said, yeah, we can do this. And she was just really professional, excellent at communicating every step of the way. We got this all figured out. She made it so easy for me. I know that the people who worked on this worked really hard, but she made it a wonderful, easy process for me.
Now that project is completed, what do you think of your new floor?
This is fabulous. This far exceeds my expectations. I knew if I just drew lines on paper, I could get the corners to line up. But look at this. This is excellent. All the points where the colors come together, it's just perfect. And I couldn't be happier. This far exceeds my expectations.
Thank you, Sarah. Now let's meet the man behind the magic. Let's meet Rafael. Rafael, what stage of the project are you on?
We are just making the templates today. And tomorrow we'll be cutting at the shop because I don't have a space here to cut. But today we do the templates and finish all the prep of the floor.
Rafael, can you tell us how the actual templates get made for this custom flooring?
We measure here, and I have to make some wood templates for the rounds. And once I make the templates, then I do all the cutting.
What was your favorite part of this project?
The favorite part about the whole job was cutting it out. It was a lot of fun, finished piece together, and making all the rounds, which I had to make a special templates for it, to have a perfect circles on it. Everything looks pretty nice. I'm happy with it, and I love it. It's very nice.
Thank you, Rafael. At Conklin Brothers, we want you to be completely thrilled with your flooring decision, as well as with your Conklin Brothers experience, our showrooms, our products, our sales consultants, and our installers. At Conklin Brothers, we have a saying around here: you can count on us.
Count on us.